Hey guys, I just want to talk to you guys about the SOYB Face Mask Challenge, shirt off your back face mask challenge. So one of the most common questions we're getting these days in the last couple of days since we've launched this is, what is this challenge about? This challenge is for the sewers, the community, the nation to come together and sew as many homemade masks as they possibly can so that we leave the N95 or the surgical masks that are available in the market for the frontline workers. The Premier of Ontario has come forward and asked people to generate as many masks as they can. We have hospitals actually urging people and asking them to make these homemade masks and even donate it to the hospital itself so they can further give it to patients that are exiting the hospital or people that are arriving to the hospital so they don't have to utilize their masks at the moment. So I urge the rest of the community and the nation to donate any unused masks or any masks that are still in package and start creating a homemade sewn face mask. I know we all are working from home. There's a lot of uncertainty around this thing right now, and the best that we can do is be involved as much as we can in the best capacity that we can. There will be a link in the bio for you to go up, click on the link. We teach you how to make the masks. So this is something that you have at home, any of your old shirts or something new that you might have in your wardrobe or in your closet that you could utilize to create this mask. Thank you guys.